Joyfuls! Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll show you how I made this look. So this is all about red. I consider this makeup look special because of the glitter liner. So let's start! Apply a lip balm to moisturize your lips. I'm using Brow Define by EB Advanced for my brows. Use a spoolie brush to blend it. After you blend it, you can either use a foundation or concealer around your brows. This can help you to clean and remove the excess around your brows. See the difference? I'm using All Clear Mascara by EB Advanced on my brows. This is my favorite makeup dahil sobrang makalat yung brows ko. So thanks to this mascara. Next step, i-blend lang yung nilagay na foundation or concealer kanina para pag nilagay ng powder, hindi mamuo. Hindi ako gumagamit ng foundation or BB cream sa face ko. Powder lang. And this is Maybelline Clear Smooth All-in-One. I'm using the same powder on my under eye circle but with a foam for full coverage. Next, I'm gonna put Nichido loose powder on my face for baking. Di naman required na ganyan karami ilagay mo. I have oily skin, that's why I put way too much. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Focallure Sunrise Palette. I'm gonna use this light brown color, which is the Give Me Mocha color.
Hi! Saw you!
Kuha ka pa ng makeup ko, ha? Kasi what do you want? Ito na lang yun. Nag-pour sa powder. Makeup ka din?
Ay, si Mami, mag-i-i ito. Ano kayo? Patis? What are you doing? Butterfly na makeup? Okay.
Next, I'm gonna use the light pink color, which is the Tenderly Light color. But unlike before, hindi ko siya iuwing sa eyebrows ko. Pa-round lang. Huwag na ako tanongin, alam ko yung bakit, tip ko lang. So, blend lang. Charan! And for my outer lower lash line, I'm gonna use this dark one color, which is the Chocolate Martini. Then I'm gonna use this light brown that I used earlier from my center to inner lower lash line. And for my lid, I'm gonna put this light pink shimmer or the Pinwheel Galaxy from my palette. Mas maganda if finger ko yung ginagamit ko kasi mas kumakapit yung shimmer unlike sa brush.
Thank you!
Next step, magpa-cute. Char! For my outer V, I'll be using this dark pink shimmer or the Pop of Copper. I want my outer V to be darker, so I'm gonna use this Excite color of Huda Beauty Nude palette. Okay, so this is the crucial part. Eyeliner. Dun dun dun. It is okay to do it slowly but surely. And this is a special part. I'm gonna use this Handaiyan red liquid glitter for my glitter liner. This is easier because I just have to trace my eyeliner. Make sure na dry na siya mabuti before mag-proceed sa next step kasi baka kumala. You don't want that to happen, do you? Then, i-brush na yung powder na nilagay. I'm using this Fashion21 Blush for my cheeks. Yay! Hush, 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 blush, blush, blush. You are now my big fat crush.
Hush, 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 blush, blush, blush.
You are now my big fat crush.
Maglalagay din ako sa bridge ng nose ko but not too much. And because I don't have contour or bronzer, itong blush na din yung gagamitin ko for my jaw and hairline. Pero hindi masyado madami dahil pink shade ito. And this is my favorite part, contouring my nose. I'm using an eyebrow pencil for this step. Then blend it. O, diba? Parang matangos. I'm adding the light brown shade that I used earlier para mas makontour. Oh, kala mo, retokado, no? I'm gonna use this EP Advanced Glow Out Highlighter to highlight some parts of my face. I am putting some on my cheekbone, bridge and tip of my nose, under my arc of my brows, upper lip on the cupid's bow, and of course don't forget to put on your inner corner or tear duct. Curling eyelashes time! And don't forget to curl your lower lashes. And because I don't have any falsies left anymore, dinamihan ko ang paglagay ng mascara. I'm using this NYX Lingerie for my lips, and sorry I don't have any lip liner. So if you do have, it is better to put lip liner first before putting any lip products on your lips. Next, I'm gonna use this smoothing Merlot shade of EB Advanced LTD Liquid Lipstick. I'm putting 3 spots on my upper and lower lip because I want it to be a little dark shade. Lastly, I'm gonna use this NYX Rapture shade at the center of my lips to create a gradient look. And because I want to look a little extra, I'm gonna put some gems on my face. This big gem goes on my cheekbone. And the smaller ones will be on my under eye. And for my hairstyle, cut a small section of hair on top of your head. Ano ba yan? Tagal mo naman mag-ipit, Jay. Parang yun lang eh. Last step, magkukulot na tayo ng buhok. Malapit na po talaga matapos. Keep on watching!
Sinasabi, puro na lang ba ako? Baby, ano ba talaga tayo? Di mo lang alam, di mo lang alam, I keep you wrapped around my finger.
And that's it! Thank you for watching! Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell button below. Do this makeup look and tag me! Spread love and kindness. Love, love!